In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Facebook Business Manager account errors step by step. If you're having trouble accessing your Business Manager, adding assets, or managing your account, there are a few things you can check. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the correct Facebook account. Make sure you have admin access to the Business Manager. Next, go to Business Settings and check for any notifications or alerts that require your attention. If Meta asks you to complete identity verification or business verification, follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Also, check that your payment method is active and there are no unpaid balances on your ad account. If you're unable to add pages, ad accounts, or other assets, make sure you have the required permissions and haven't reached Meta's account limits. You should also update your browser, clear the cache and cookies, or try using a different browser to rule out temporary issues. If the problem still isn't resolved, open the Help section in Meta Business Suite and contact Meta Support for further assistance. That's how you can troubleshoot and fix common Facebook Business Manager account errors. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.